Hello. In the previous video we have seen how to add faster. In this video we are going to see how to multiply faster and also certain tricks involving certain digits when it comes to multiplication by certain digits. Okay, so let's begin this by jumping directly to the special cases. So the special cases are multiplying by 5, multiplying by 25, multiplying by 125, and then multiplying by 11, multiplying by 12, multiplying by 13, and multiplying by 15. So these are the special cases that we are going to do now. Okay, so now without further ado, let's move into the topic. So let's say that first is multiplication by 5. See, now multiplication by 5, what does this mean? See, whenever you want to multiply, try to break it down into simpler elementary components, which will make it easier and which will reduce the probability of committing any error. So multiplication by 5 is nothing but multiplication by 10 and dividing by 2. This is what multiplication by 5 is. So multiplication by 5 equals multiplication by 10 by 2. So you get 5 here. Okay, so let's jump into the problem, jump into an example. Let's say you have any number. Let's say you have 112. Okay, in the conventional method, if you have to multiply 112 by 5, you have to do 5 2s are 10, 0, carry over 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5 1s are 5, so you arrive at the answer 560. Now this method involves a little bit of calculation. Okay, but check out this one. So you have 112 multiplied by 5. In our method, what we do is multiply this number by 10. Okay, so what we get is 1120. Now you have to divide this by 2. All you have to do is 5s are 10, and then 6 are 0, 6 are 12, and then you have 0. 560. See, we have an answer much faster. Now let me demonstrate this with another example. Let's say that you have a bigger number, a larger number. Okay, so what larger number can we take? Let's say we can take 1572. Multiply this number by 5. Okay, in our method, what we do is we immediately add a 0 to the back of this one. Excuse me. In our method, what we do is we immediately add a 0 to the end of this number. That's multiplication by 10. Now we divide this number by 2. 7s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 6 are 12, 0. 7860. So 1572 multiplied by 5 is 7860. Here is a proof. Let's just check our value. 1572 multiplied by 5. What do we get here? See, 7860. We arrived at an answer much faster. Okay, the real use of this technique comes when you're dealing with really large numbers. Let's say that let's take a really large number, 596321668392572. You have this large number and you have to multiply this number by 5. Okay, if you do this by conventional method, you know how long this is going to take, and I'm not even going to try that. Now let's take our method. Okay, what I do is I initially put a 0 here in my mind. I just assume a 0 in my mind here. Okay, check this out now. 2s are 4, 9s are 18, 8s are 16, 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 0, 8s are 16, 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 1s 2, 9s are 18, 6 are 12, 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, and then 6 are 12, and then the last one 0 will come here. Okay, so let's check this one. Shall we check this answer now? Let's pull out our calculator here. Where's the calculator? It's ought to be here somewhere. I don't have a calculator up here running. I think I might have closed it. Okay, it's no problem. Let me just go to the calculator here. Calculator. Okay, there it is. So where is our humongous number? There it is. Okay, let's take our number 596321668392572. We really took a large number. Okay, multiply this by 5 and the answer is 2981608341962860. Voila, that's the number we have here. So you see the benefit of it. The larger the number, the easier it is. The larger the number, the more you will understand the effectiveness of this technique. Okay, so now we are done with 5 now. Now let's move on to multiplication with 25. So now we have to what do we do have to do to get this one? So multiplication by 25 is nothing but multiplication by 100 and then a division by 4. Okay, so let's say that you have a number 726. You have to multiply this by 25. Again, if you want to go with a conventional method, let me just make a quick conventional method. Multiplication by 25, you have 30 and then 10 plus 3 13 and then 1, 5 7 so 35 plus 1 is 36, and then you have 12 1 4 5 14. So 0 5 1 1 8 1. Okay, let me just check this one. Where is my calculator? Why do I keep closing my calculator? Okay, fine, no problem. Calculator. Okay, so here is my calculator. So I have 726 multiplied by 25 and we get 18150. Okay, so I'm right on this one. Let's do this thing by our method. 726 multiplied by 25, immediately just assume 726, there are 2 zeros behind it, divide this by 4. I have 18 4s are 72 and then 16, 18 4 72, 1 4s are 4, remainder 20, 20 is 5 4s are 20 and then I have a 0, 18150. That easy it is. Okay, let's try out this technique with a different example. Let's take a larger number this time. As usual, let's take 55890086254. Okay, now multiply this number by 25. Immediately you have to assume 2 zeros behind this number. Okay, so let's calculate. Let's start dividing by 4. 1s are 4, 3s are 12, remainder 38, 9s are 36, 29, 7s are 28, 100 you have 25 and then 2s are 8 and then 122 is 5s are 26 are 24, remainder 7s are 14 is like 3s are 12 and then you have 10 20 sorry 5 and then you have 0 0. I'm sorry, I was chasing something else. Okay, so let's calculate this one with our calculator, with a trusted calculator. Okay, so we have 558900862540. Multiplying this by 25, we get 13972521563500. That's the same number that we have here. See, even when it comes to large number, using this technique you can very quickly arrive at an answer. Okay, and this also reduces the chance of making any errors. And let's just make one last quick example with multiplication by 25, and let's move on to the next number. 7. Why do I keep on jumping to 7? Let's try a different number. Let's try 956. multiplying this by 25. Immediately you have double zeros in the mind. You have double zeros in the mind. So 2s are 8, 2 3s are 12, and then you have 36 9 2 3 9 double 0. That's your answer. See, multiplication by 25 done at a very quick pace. So you have 956 multiplied by 25, you get 23900. That's it. A trusted friend calculator has confirmed this to us. Okay, so that's by 25.